Welcome back to class 5th. This is your math class of chapter number 3, large numbers. Today we will start question number 7 of exercise 3rd A. As you can see on the screen, already in previous video we have finished up to question 6. But now we will start question number 7. You can see here. See here this one part 7th A. I have written here also 4 3 7 9 4 1. How to write this number into naming word and according to international system. Okay, means INS international system. So here as I have written upside places only. So ones, tens, 100, these comes ones period. Then after 100 after what comes 1000 period. In 1000 period 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay. Then after third period what? Million period. And in this period places are million, 10 million and 100 million. Here 1 is coming ones place. Always I told you write the digit place, always write to left side. 4 tens place, 9 100 place. Okay, so 9 4 1, these are coming ones period. Next 7 1000 place, 3 10,000 place, 4 100,000 place. So here you can see these number are coming up to 1000 period only. Okay, so naming word what will be of this one? You can see clearly here 437. It is coming in which period? 1000 period. So naming word what will be of this one number? Simply 437. Okay, 437,000. Why 1000 here? Because 437 it is coming in 1000 period. Okay, so 437,000 and 941 it is coming ones period. So naming word what will be here? 941. Got it? Simply check the period. As here is coming 437,000, 941 ones period. So naming word according to 1000 period 437,000 and 941 only. Got it? Next look at 7th B part. See this one B part. Digit is given 7 0 1 2 8 6. So firstly read the place of digit. 6 ones place, 8 tens place, 200, 1000, 0, 10,000 and 7 100,000. Here we are reading as international system only. Okay, so 6 as I have written ones place, 8 tens place, 2 100 place. Then after 1000 place 1 0, 10,000 and 7 100,000. So here clearly you can see 701. This is coming into 1000 period and 286 it is coming ones period. So naming word what will be? 701. We call it as 701. And 701 after what will be 1000 because it is coming in 1000 period. So naming word 700, 1000 and 286 only. Got it? Similarly, next is look at the question number C1 part. It is given C part. Digits are given 5325844. How we call it according to international system? So as I have written 4 coming ones place, next 4 it is coming tens place, 8 100 place. Okay, next 5,000 place, 2 10,000, 3 100,000. It is coming second period means 1000 period. Then after 5 is more left, 100,000, after which place comes million place, means it is coming in million period. Okay, so clearly you can see 5. Write naming word from left side. So 5 it is coming million place. So naming word what will be 5 million. Then after read the place of 1000, 325,000. Okay, so here writing 325,000. After that and 844 it is coming ones place. So naming word 844. Here is as I have written 844. Got it? So naming word 5,325,844 only. Got it? Similarly you can do other part also. Let's see your homework. Which one part you will do by yourself? Look at this question. As I done A, B and C part, similarly you will do D, E, F and G part. Okay, because here also given number up to which one place, means which one period it is given, up to million only. Okay, so let us we solve one question. It is given up to 100 million please. So let us see the naming word of H part. Okay, see this one part. Digit is given 495381025. So firstly write upside their place 5 ones place, 2 tens place, 0 100 place. These number are coming into ones period. Then after 1,000 place, 8 10,000, 3 100,000. These three number 381 are coming into 1000 period. Then after 5 million, 9 10 million place and 400 million place it is coming. Clearly you can see every period have up to 3 places and 495. These three number are coming into million period. Okay, so naming word what will be 400. So naming word it will be 495 million and 381 means 381,000 because coming 1000 period and 25 only because 100 place value not given, 0 only given. Okay, again I am repeating naming word 495 million and 381,000 and 25 only. Got it? As I done 6th H1 part, similarly you will do 6th I and J1 part. Okay, these both part I and J it will be your homework. Okay, now let us see next question 8. It is given rewrite the numbers with commas separating the periods using first the Indian system. Okay, we have to put commas and according to their periods, and firstly we have to write into Indian system and then into international system of numeration. Okay, so as you can see here, first number 8A part 5 1 2 3 5 6 it is given. So we have to write this one number according to Indian system and separate with comma. Got it? So you can see here, in Indian system always ones period having up to how much place? 3 places. 1, 2, 3 means ones, tens, hundred. First period over, then put comma. And other period having up to 2 places only. Second period 1000, 10,000. Okay. So here also put comma. Then naming word, what will be of this one number? 5,12,356. Got it? Similarly, we can write this number into international system also. Okay. So as number it is given only. So how to write according to international system? In international system, every period have up to 3 places. As ones period what comes? Ones, tens, hundred. Okay, it comes in first period, then put comma here. Then after 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay, it comes in 1000 period. And next will be what? Million, 10 million and 100 million. But here given up to here only digit. Okay, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So we call it as naming word. What will be of this one? 512,356. Why? 512 it is coming in 1000 period. Okay. So you have to write these number according to Indian system and the second one according to international system. Let us see how to write. See here this one, 7th A part. 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 it is given. So I have arranged these number according to their place. At ones place 6, tens place 5, 100 places 3. Okay, from right to left only. Then 1000 place 2, 10,000 1 and lakh places 5. We are writing here according to Indian system only. Okay. So now you can see in first period ones, tens, 100. These are coming 3, 5, 6. First period is over, then here put comma. Then after 1000 and 10,000 and here put comma. So required word, naming word will be 5,12,356. Next, international system. So how to write this number into international system also? We know very well in international system every period having up to 3 places. So ones, tens, 100. These are coming 3, 5, 6 and 1000, 10,000 then 100,000 are coming 5, 1, 2. Okay. So ones, tens, 100 these are coming first period and here I have put comma. Got it? So you can write this number like this only, 512,356. Okay. Next 7th B part. Here is given 4, 3, 2, 3, 5, 7. So firstly written it is according to Indian system. So in ones, tens, 100 first period is over. Then after every period have up to 2 places only. Then 1000, 10,000. Here also I have put comma. Then after 4 is given. Okay. So you can put here comma after 3 digits and here is after 2 digits. Got it? So naming word 4,32,357. Next is international system. International system every period have up to 3 places. So you can see, always check from right side. Okay. Ones, tens, 100. First period over. Then here I have put comma. Then 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. And here also you can put comma if any digit given. But here not given digit. So here we put comma only one time. Okay. So required naming word 432,357 only. Got it? Now let us see next part. It is given F1 digit 2259161. Okay. And firstly write into Indian system. So at ones place 1, tens place 8, 100 places 6. As I have written, first period, second period 1000 and 10,000, 9 and 1. Lakh and 10 lakh 5 and 10 lakh 2. And crore place what is coming? 2 only. So clearly you can see here in ones period 1, 8 and 6 these are coming, so put here comma. Okay, then after 1000, 10,000 second period over, then here also put comma. Then lakh and 10 lakh period 2 and 5 are coming, then here also put comma. So how can we write this number? 2, 25, 91, 681, and we call it as 2 crore 25 lakh 91,681. Next, according to international system, how to write? As I have side written, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, million and 10 million. Okay, next will be 100 million. Okay, so as you can see, at ones place 1, tens place 8 and 6 is given 100 place. Now after that 3 digit 1000 place 1, 10,000 9, 100,000 5. Then left in 2 more. At million place 2 and 10 million place it is coming 2. So how we call it this number? 22,591,681. It is according to international system. Okay, so as you can see in international system, every period having up to 3 places, ones, tens, 100. So here put comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and here also put comma. So we can write this number like as 22,591,661. Got it? So as I done these part, similarly you can do other remaining part also. Okay, so let us see which part you will do. Look here, as I done F1 part, similarly you will do G, H, I and J part. This part will be your homework only. Okay, and which are remaining part I will give you as homework only. So students, till for today this is enough only. Thank you students. Have a nice day.